Yeah, what's up, y'all?
Hey
Welcome back to
guys.
another episode of the Unbiased K-pop Reaction Channel.
Wow, you got it
Hey,
right.
hey, I ain't gonna mess up twice. Yeah, but we're back. How y'all doing? Why you so quiet?
They're answering, not me. Hey guys. So today we're going to react to YENA, who is single-handedly bringing back the heat, feeling, emotion, choreography, and sound of second generation K-pop, or like early third gen too. But
Dang.
I've seen
Second
it.
gen?
Yes.
Dang.
I've seen it going viral on TikTok right now. And it's like peak. It reminds me so much of the golden years of K-pop. Like, I'm so happy. So we're going to watch that and the choreo performance video right after. So let's dive right in. Let's give Kenneth a little taste of a modern twist on second generation.
Second gen?
Let's go, let's go.
The apple pie look good.
Catch my heart, catch my heart, baby. Catch my heart, catch my heart, baby.
It's giving red velvet. I love it.
Tough. Ha!
This is so good.
Wow.
Da, 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 da.
Is that a viral dance?
Yeah. Right now it's going viral. I love
I
it.
can tell. Ha!
Like, even her looks are vintage. This eats so bad. Like, this sounds so K-pop, you know?
So she's like 30.
No, I think she's like a newer idol. I could totally be wrong. I'm really
say
not.
that-
I'm not familiar with Yena's game. Let me just say that. But I saw this and had to react to it.
Ha!
What the
Okay,
heck?
girl.
Stunt double.
Strong as shit.
That's a man in a dress.
I know. I was like, damn.
That was hilarious. This is great.
Yeah, she got the moves.
Cunty. Absolutely loved it. Are you kidding me? That was freaking fantastic.
Mm.
Are
you adding it to your playlist?
Yes. I have a K-pop playlist specifically for stuff like this. Like, you have never ring ding donged in your life, and that is a
Ring-ding-dong.
problem.
Ring ding dong.
Yes.
What was that?
A Shiny song from
Oh
Second
yeah,
Gen.
yeah, no.
It's so good.
Ring ding dong. The first song that came to my head was "Get the head ring, ding ding dong, ring ding ding ding."
Oh
dong.
yeah, no.
The Dr. Dre song.
No.
Come on, man.
Ring Ding Dong by Shiny is literally, I'm not even gonna lie, like unironically obsessed with that song. Unironically, I have to listen to it in its entirety whenever it comes on. Baby.
Oh, I heard that song before.
Yeah. Ring ding 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 ding
Yeah,
ding ding
yeah.
ding 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 ding. Of course you heard that song. I freaking love that
I
song.
heard that song many times.
Oh, it's so good. So fantastic, elastic, elastic, fantastic. Okay, back to YENA because I'm gonna watch the damn choreo video. I'm gonna do it. Da 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 da.
It's the choreo.
Mm-hmm.
Catch my heart, baby. Catch my heart, catch my heart, baby.
No. Her facial expressions actually are so good. Like a very dynamic performance without really hard choreo, which I haven't seen in a while. Oh, I love this. I feel like female soloists in K-pop eat down.
Okay. The girl in the back is getting no shine.
Well, it's about YENA. Sorry to those girls. Her facial expressions are so good. Like, even if you're not dancing as hard as other people, if you have great facial expressions that, like, draw people to you while you perform, sometimes that's better than, like, too much energy, yeah. Like, if you're dead in the face but you're executing the moves, you look like a robot. Okay! Was this rap in the last one?
No.
Crazy.
It's a remix.
Ooh!
None of this was on the last one.
This is sickening. I'm a fan. I'm a fan. I'm going to play this just as much as when I was obsessed with Catch a Kitty by Chew. I'm gonna catch a kitty, kitty.
Oh, good.
Or Kiss Kitty, Kiss Kitty.
What do you rate this?
A 10 out of 10. Are you kidding me?
10 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
That's the first 10 out of 10.
Do you know how much I enjoyed that because it didn't sound like other stuff that's come out recently? That was pure K-pop fun. Like, that was quintessential K-pop joy. If I'm listening to a bubblegum pop song, that's what I want to hear. That's going straight to my For the Girls playlist.
For the girls.
For the girls.
For the girls.
What do you rate it?
It's not a song I listen to daily. I give it a 7.5.
That's good for him, honestly.
7.5.
That's good for him for the type of song this is. Da,
Yeah.
da, 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 da,
Like,
da,
I
da,
would
da.
not skip it if you play it, but I won't be the one playing it.
That's just your toxic masculinity
That's
talking.
crazy.
Okay? It's a great song.
It is a good song. The music video made it.
Yeah, what do you rate the video? Separate from like the song based on listening value?
The music video, 8.5.
Okay.
8.5. I give it that.
But Yenna, look,
You got a fan.
I'm gonna be checking you out.
You got a fan.
I'm gonna be following.
You got a
if
brand
you
new
deliver, if this is what you're giving, then I need to go do my research. However long that's going to take. I don't even know anything about this woman.
Well, you found out today.
That's true.
If you didn't know, now you know.
A word
A
that we
word.
can't say right now.
Right.
But let's go. Thank you guys so much. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know everything that I don't know about Yenna in the comments. That would be super helpful, honestly.
Very helpful. For him.
And I will definitely get back to you guys. Like, I'm going to make it a habit to try and answer every single comment. So
And
that's a challenge. Okay.
And do the videos for them.
Yeah, if you guys aren't commenting, then I have nothing to do. If you guys are commenting, then I have to do my homework. Make me do my homework. Da, 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 da. Peace.
Peace.